Most law offices, as a part of the discovery process, send out all the Form 35.4 pattern interrogatories for domestic relations cases. This is done without regard to the admonition contained in Section 2 of the pattern interrogatories that one should, quote, use care in choosing those interrogatories that are applicable to the case. Quite frankly, sending out the full set is a lazy way to avoid making the appropriate selections. As you may have noted, Creative Divorce Documents allows you to craft which questions to ask. Taking a quick look at the interrogatory interview, you can see how easy it is to select the questions that are applicable to the particular case. Simply check the questions you are really interested in. In responding to interrogatories, the interview allows you to select which questions have been asked, and the final printed response will address only those inquiries that have been submitted. Like other interviews, the responses to any given dialogue follow the same protocol as the other dialogues in the interview. For this video, we will address standard interrogatories 1 and 2. Again, we will use pre-populated answers. Opening the employment dialogue, you will recognize that this is a repeating dialogue. The layout is simple, and by clicking Add Another allows you to supply information for a second or even more jobs held by Bannister. Question 2 calls for Bannister to list all prior employers he has had during the marriage. In some cases, as with his service with the Prussian military, Bannister worked for the Army for a couple of years, and Creative Divorce Documents easily list the income for each of those years. Because this is a repeating dialogue, you can enter as many other employers with whom Bannister has been affiliated. Thank you for watching this video.